How to use Kraken crypto token exchange platform. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an account on Kraken, and I'll also be showing you how to buy crypto on Kraken. So the first thing you want to do is go onto kraken.com. Once you're on this page, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner, and from there you're going to see the option to sign up. You're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you'll be led to a new page on which you'll be prompted to enter your email address and also create a password. Once you have created the password and go through the verification process, you will be led to this page as you can see right here. Once on this page, to start purchasing crypto token, all you'll need to do is tap on buy crypto. After you have tapped on buy crypto, you'll be led to this page. But before you can start purchasing crypto token, you'll need to verify your identity. And to verify your identity is quite easy. All you would need is your ID. So I'll simply tap on verify identity right here. After you have done that, you are going to be led to a new page on which you can start verifying your identity. So the first thing you will need to do is enter your first name, last name, date of birth, address, city, postal code, and also your phone number. So let me do that real quick and then we'll continue with the video. Okay, so once on the main dashboard, there are a few things that I would like you to pay attention to. The first thing that I recommend you do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your name. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to select security. After selecting security, you're going to tap on 2FA settings. So you're going to set up two-factor authentication, as this is very important with whatever you're doing on the internet. So you'll need to tap on activate now right there, and you can also turn on two-factor authentication for when you are trading also. After you have done doing that, you can go back to the main dashboard. So let's go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard, you are going to tap on your name again in the top right hand corner, and you're going to select your default currency. So you can search for your default currency right there. After you have done that, the other thing that you can do, if you would like to check out the prices for crypto token, all you have to do is tap on prices in the top left hand corner. Then from here, you'll see a list of all the crypto token prices, and you will also see the biggest gains, biggest dips, and also trending assets and what has been recently added. So you can scroll down and you can see the various prices. And once you have found one that you would like to buy, all you'll have to do is tap on buy or sell. And by the way, you'll need to verify your account before you can start making a purchase. So once you have verified your account, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on payment methods. Then you could tap on add payment method. And from there, you can choose to add a card or you can deposit cash. But I would recommend that you add a debit or credit card. So you're going to tap on that. And as I said, I'm not verified at the moment. But from here, you'll be able to enter your card information and you'll be able to purchase crypto token directly. And also, if you would like to convert your crypto token to another type of crypto token, you can do that right here. So let's say, for example, you'd like to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can simply tap on convert right here to do that. And also, if you would like to sell your crypto token, all you'll need to do is tap on sell right here. And by the way, if you would like to earn more by doing staking or so on, all you have to do is tap on earn at the top of the page. Then you'll scroll down and you can see the different tokens that you can stake, and you can also see the percentage that you will get for staking and how long you'll be able to stake them for to get the right amount of money depending on what you want. And also, by tapping at the top right here on funding, you can see right here the amount that is currently in your account. And you can also see the crypto token that you have. And another thing that if you want to check your trading history, you could tap on history right there and you'll be able to see your trading history. And that's about it. And also, as you can see right here, by tapping on trade in the top left hand corner, if you would like to make a purchase again, so let's say let's say I want to buy some Bitcoin. All I would have to do is select buy. Then from here, I would tap right where you see BTC, then tap on USD, and let's say I want to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin. And you can see that Bitcoin at the moment is going for $27,692. So you see the amount of BTC that I'll be able to get is 0.00361. And all I would have to do is tap on buy BTC with USD and I would be able to purchase Bitcoin. Also, if you would like to sell it, all you would have to do is tap on sell. Then from there, you will enter the amount that you have and you will see the costs that are the cash that you'll be able to get. Then you'll tap on sell BTC and that's how to do it. And that's the simple method to do it. If you would like to tap on advance, you could tap on advance right there. And then from here, you can see another way how you can also do it, which goes into more detail. But I would recommend that you use the simple method, as you can see right here. And you can also track your orders, you can track your positions, and you can also track your trades right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.